Carly's Keto Diet (ONZ). New weight loss pill is here. Carly's Keto Weight Loss Review. Carly's Keto Weight Loss is an extension designed to help you lose weight. The most likely thing is that you want to lose weight. Well, you want to know if this supplement works too. Since then, why are you here? Well, when it comes to cereal diet, this group is very impressive. Since then, the keto diet pills have been based on a real biological process that your body can carry out. It's called ketosis. Also, if you are not familiar, ketosis is where your body burns pure fat instead of the carbohydrates it consumes. Of course, you want to burn fat to reduce its size. Well, diet pills claim that the Carly's Keto plan contracts ketosis, so it can dissolve the fat in your body. Click to view your website, get more information and buy the bottle before the supplies run out. Keto's diet system is by far the most preferred diet system of the year. But this diet basically consists of giving up all the carbohydrates that you normally consume in a day. Because, therefore, it enters your body in ketosis and burns fat in gas, instead. However, if you do not want to stop eating bread, pasta, potatoes and the like, you can have a Carly's Keto tablet right for you. This article shows that ketosis can be activated in your body by you, to help you dissolve excess weight from your body fat quickly. Are you ready to give a hitch? Then, click on the list below to get the best price of season Carly's Keto. It depends on us. At this rate, it will not last long, so do not wait another second. Go now. What is the Carly's Keto supplement? As we said, the formula advertises the weight loss Carly's Keto that can help you lose weight quickly during ketosis. Then, we will crush this. Generally, to give you energy daily, your body burns carbohydrates in your food. Carbohydrates are fast energy for your body, so your body uses this simple route most of the time. However, if you leave carbohydrates, your body releases ketones. Carly's Keto Weight Loss. These ketones are a green light for your body to acquire ketosis. Ketosis is where your body begins to burn your fat reserves for energy, instead. Of course, if you intend to dilute, you intend to get rid of these fat solutions. Therefore, this is the reason why the keto diet system is very important this year. People intend to burn their own grease stores. But, if you do not intend to follow the keto diet as you should, take one diet to another, or if you love bread, maybe it's time to try Carly's Keto tablets. They declare that you are in that area of ketosis, losing weight quickly. Go see it now. How does Carly's Keto work? Sure, that's what I came here for the answer. In fact, it is difficult for us to answer that for you. Given the fact, think about how different we all are. Of course, there are no human beings that are exactly the same. So it doubles. Therefore, we cannot say for sure that a supplement like Carly's Keto diet pills will work on you or not. And besides, we're not sure that they'll turn you into a cover girl or something like that. However, if you are angry about the fat-burning trip and need to try something completely new, we believe that the additional price of Carly's Keto is worth it. Because this supplement works with your body to really use it to help you lose weight. Many supplements do not work with the actual organic processes in your body. What are you waiting for? Start your trip to keto today with Carly's Keto pills. Carly's Keto Diet Pills Review. It contains 60 tablets per bottle. Exclusive offer online, not in stores. The composition of the ketone is 100% natural. Weight gain means rapid weight loss. Go for any image now. Hurry, the product is walking immediately. Carly's Keto ingredients, cornerstone in the formula diet plan Carly's Keto called BHB ketones. The best diet pills for keto include BHB ketones. Why? As we mentioned earlier, when your body runs out of carbohydrates to melt, it releases its own ketones. Ketones look like a small thumb of your body to enter ketosis, aka, to start burning fat. In addition, the purpose of these ketones is to help you dissolve fat and also your metabolic rate, as well as your energy levels. Well, BHB ketones are somewhat similar to external ketones that your body actually releases. So, the concept of dietary supplement Carly's Keto is that it provides your body with this green light, ketones, to obtain ketosis. In other words, it requires your body to become ketosis, where it dissolves through reserves of pure fat. Therefore, we do not know about you, but we think it's worth it. Click on any type of image on this website to get the most effective cost for this year on the Carly's Keto Diet Plan tablets now. Carly's Keto side effects. Are there any known negative effects for Carly's Keto? Now, not your website also states that there is also no kind of detrimental effect for this element. However, as we said earlier, we are all very different from the inside. This means that such an extension will certainly interact with those who take it. We believe that this natural structure will remain good in you. However, always use any kind of new formula carefully. Be sure to talk with your doctor before trying a completely new diet plan as well. In general, it is up to you to remain risk-free with the formula to lose weight. Carly's Keto Today, tablet computers that burn fat. Due to the fact that you do not know exactly how it will work until you try it. Again, since this formula is normal and simply the BHB ketones are used, we think it will be great. But, be careful, whatever the cost. Currently, what are you waiting for? Go and get this hot formula before leaving the products. Click on any image to get a system of diet pills. Carly's Keto Today. Pros of Carly's Keto. As you may be guessing at present, there are many positive aspects of Carly's Keto. Although the formula is created to lose weight, it does a lot for the well-being of your body. First, the supplement is obviously already reliable when it comes to targeting abdominal fat. Play a key role to ensure that fat is not kept secret. In the same way, Carly's Keto improves lean muscle mass and targets only the mass of fat accumulated in the stomach and upper legs. They are also highly effective in terms of cognitive health, well-being and well-being. Improve the work of your mind and increase the psychological quality. Another function in Carly's Keto is that they make you active in your life. Cons of Carly's Keto. There are also some disadvantages of Carly's Keto, since you should be familiar with them. Whenever you use an accessory, it is important to verify all the details and also the instructions for this provider. Similarly, do not take the supplement recommended by the company. The daily dose is determined after many routes in laboratories and should not exceed the limit. The FDA did not really accept Carly's Keto. This supplement is suitable for children under age and people who breastfeed constantly. Customer testimonial: Dave, 44 years, a year ago I was hit by a sports injury and then I should not be as active as before. Also, my work in the office kept a chair throughout the day. Due to this, my weight increases over time and I cannot go to the gym to get rid of this weight as a result of an injury. In this time of difficulties, Carly's Keto helped me a lot. I recommended a good friend to take the supplement since he tried it before. Carly's Keto works as a call, in addition to dissolving my fat. The best part of this supplement is that it did not reduce the lean muscle mass. When I started to feel more active, and at this moment, my body is still in good shape. Where to buy Carly's Keto? The best place to obtain this product is here now. Because, through our images, you can see the website of the Internet Authority's Carly's Keto. In addition, you can get this article at the most affordable price on the general day here. As we said, do not expect these pills to make you a model. However, as they clearly cooperate with your body's organic processes, we believe it's worth it. It's time to lean over weight loss. We believe that the style of the keto diet system is very modern for some reason. So, why not understand it with the Carly's Keto formula to lose weight today? All you have to do is click on any image now to confirm your container. And do not wait. This outgoing formula will be sold, as it was in the past. Now, get it now before you sell it again. This may be precisely what your routine needs, so go now.